Hey there, folks! Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades with the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RT 128GB DDR4 3200. Let's get straight into it. First off, let's talk aesthetics. This RAM kit doesn't just boost your system's performance, it's also a visual delight. With dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting, individually addressable LEDs, and a panoramic light pipe, your rig will shine from every angle. Plus, with the CORSAIR ICE software, customization is a breeze. Whether you're into preset lighting profiles or prefer crafting your own, the options are virtually endless. But it's not all about looks, performance matters too. Designed to complement cutting-edge Ryzen systems, this kit delivers top bandwidth and tight response times, optimized for AMD motherboards. The dual-tone aluminum heat spreader doesn't just look sleek, it also conducts heat away efficiently, keeping your memory cool even during intense overclocking sessions. Speaking of performance, this kit automatically configures to the maximum supported speed on compatible systems, meaning faster load times, seamless multitasking, and overall smoother performance without the need to tinker in the BIOS. And let's not forget about stability. Thanks to the custom performance PCB, signal quality is optimized for peak performance and stability, ensuring your system runs like a well-oiled machine. Overall, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB RT 128GB DDR4 3200 is not just a memory upgrade. It's a game-changer. With its stunning aesthetics, top-notch performance, and rock-solid stability, it's the perfect addition to any high-performance rig. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.